Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 9 for cleaning my MS system in Django, PostgreSQL and Bootstrap 5. In this video, we are going to work on the amount collection report, right? I have described in the first video that I will separate the two, I will make a separate two videos for the patient counting report, but luckily I have created only single video, video number 8 for the patient report. We have included the apexChart and all the things, right? So this is the uh, patient count report. Now we will create the same thing for the amount collection. This will be very easy. We just need to change the field, right? So but we need to create two different URL for that, right? So let's create a two different link, and then we will do the required changes, and we will finalize our collection report, right? So let's start to do that. Okay, so first of all, we need to change the link. So I will go to the patients template and dashboard, right? So this is reports. So what I will say here, now I will create a different, I will say collection reports, right? So this is collection reports, and this is patient count, or we can say total patient count, total patients report, right? So we need to create this collection in the URL. So let's create quickly patient URL, and here we have a report. So let's copy this one and paste it here. What is the name? Collection report, correct? So this is collection report, this is collection report, but in this name I will do this, right? And we need to define it here also. Okay, now let's quickly create the view. So view, okay, so this report will same, we just need to do few things changes. I will copy this and just change the name. Okay, so we will do the changes. Okay, so we'll not change the year month logic. Month name will be this patient month. So here what we will do, we need to count the patients. We need to sum the amount, right? So sum, correct? So this, let's go here. So this is reports. Let's collapse this and this. Okay, so yearly, how many? Okay, so value this. Okay, this year is fine. This is nice. Month name, months. Month name is also fine. Chart by dates. Okay, so this one, visit date, year, visit date, month, value, visit. Okay, so we need to change the value. So here patient, and we have amount. Okay, so what we will say, amount and sum, and sum will be amount. So what it will fetch, it will fetch the total sum by date, right? And we need to see here this thing, no need to say. Okay, all right, so total is school, correct? We also need to do sum in here, and this is will be amount. Visit date, month is correct, everything is correct. Chart by yearly. Okay, so this will be y patient. So sum, so this is yearly sum, right? So now we have, yeah, we have everything ready. What we need to do, this is reports. What I will do, I will copy this, paste here, and I will say collection report dot html, right? And the same thing we will pass this in the render function. Okay, so collection reports.html, correct? So here we are. So this is cool. Let's see this. Okay, so let's go here, refresh this page. Something is missing. Okay, So py manage.py run server. Okay, all right. So if I refresh this, okay, so this is saying report. Okay, what we need to do, in the URL we have collection report, so let's say report, right? So a report, why this is saying, what we are saying in the dashboard, if reports, reports, but reports is not in the URL now. Oh, here, sorry. Okay, now if I say this report visit date is not valid, 241 number line error, 241 visit date. Okay, visit date should be daily chart labels. So this is daily chart data, visit date. Okay, this thing, amount, this one, actually this will be same, but the total will be different. Okay, so let's say visit date, this is this will be same, right? For the daily this is correct, for the monthly, yeah, this is okay. Refresh this page, collection reports.html, so it is saying collection reports. Okay, so this is report only, so report. Okay. Okay, so collection report, so what I will say here in the dashboard, if collection report, sorry, if collection report in request or path, then we will say this. Okay, so this is not showing any data. Okay, let's now investigate this, right? Okay, so now let's see why this is not showing the data. So daily patients, okay, so let's say daily chart. First of all, let's go to daily chart here, daily chart label, daily chart values, this is correct. So why the data is not showing? Collection report, daily chart values, so daily chart labels, daily chart values, views. So visit date is correct and everything is correct. Why this is not showing then? Are we doing something, some mistake or not? Daily change, daily chart labels. So let's copy this and paste it here. So daily chart labels. So this is correct. If not, this chart type or request chart or request chart type is equal to daily, then we will show this. And why this is not showing, let's tackle this. Syntax error, and where is, oh wow, so collection report and series, we will say safe. Now, oh no, this is showing the decimal values. Why this is showing decimal? Total. Okay, let's do one thing, convert to float. Convert to float, and now it's showing. Okay, so wherever we have this data, we need to convert to float. Okay, great. So let's convert this. All right, so now it should show, here we are. So this is 500, right? Okay, so for this step, for this collection report, our step will be different. So we have step size is 5, but in this we will show the step size, sorry, step size will be, let's say, 100, correct? So in the difference of 100 it will show. Okay, so this is showing 500, correct? So yeah, so we have already create everything in our patient count report. We just need to change the amount field, and now it is showing everything, right? So if we want to show the yearly data, then it will show the yearly. So it is 700, you can see here, 500 plus 200, 700. If we show the monthly, then we have to you can see a patient monthly here and here. If we show the daily, and then it will show the daily according to the current month and the current year. If we change the year, then it will show here 200. If we go to the March, then it will show 500, right? So this is a report we have created for the collection and the patients. Let's keep this report in the separate card, right? Let's keep this in a separate card. Okay, so for this separation, let's go to this one, and we have this list group. Let's see. Let's create another list group, list group, right? And let's define these two reports in this group, correct? So here we are. Let's define some margin top 4 or say 5, right? So patient report and total collection report, right? We can also say here patient count reports, and here we can say collection report, right? So total patients, total collections. Okay, so now we have we prepared the chart for this collection and the patient, right? So uh, we have done with the reports, I think. Patient count report, we don't need this too, but we will, what we will do here, patient collection report, will I will change this. And in the 10th video, what we will do, we will create a visits table, right? Because every time new patient will not always come. Some our already existing patient will come for the next visit, so we will create the visits table on the existing patient in the next video, right? And then we will work on the export, and after the export we will deploy our code on the server, and then we will do the email notification and SMS notification testing, and then series complete, right? So I hope you liked this video, and you are liking this concept of clinic management system. If you have anything, then you can add in the comment section, and please share, subscribe, like this video, share this video. And if you need the source code of this project, then please go to clinic management system, and this is a very small, this is a amount for support me, and I will provide the access code, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you need more projects related to Django or other technology, then you can go to projectsplaza.com. In here, from here you can download the project. So if you face any kind of difficulty to downloading or anything, then just email me or just comment me on the wherever I have 4 things. You can mail me, or you can go to the GitHub and you can create a ticket or whatever you want. So I will try to help you as soon as possible, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. In the next video we will work on the visits table and all. Okay, thank you.